Promise me a place from here much better. There's aftermath, them ties and tracks, your real dog. Would you give it all up for me? Said you saved a dime a day and built a log cabin down there by the river. Raise the kids the best there is, and I worry about your head and quiver. Yeah, this place ain't saving grace. You can't buy more peace than it pays. There's more pain, more blood than there rain, and there's smoke down here on the river. Oh, Jebediah gave it 2 more years, and he's laying the job with the man selling off land plots. Put away the gold he made and saved enough to build that home for Mary. Another dime a day kept the wolves away, made a deal with the tribe and he hoped the chief would keep it. It all came down to a plan he made, and there's a fire grave for the fearless ones who need it. Yeah, this place ain't saving grace. You can't buy more peace than it pays. Yeah, there's more pencil to the paper, tattoos on the ether, fading in the light. All the while I gorge my gut, come the time that I would rut, running high and low to find my prehistoric queen, to keep me warm till spring, when I go out with my friends, graze the land and wonder when I'd see your face again. Till the day I met my doom, took one in the boiler room, to put food on the table of a dying breed man. Once I was a broken heart, once I tore your heart apart, once my heart put out before I ever got to breathe. My soul returned to seed, come to earth again, plucking out a living as a favorite laying hen. Till the day I met my doom, the fox got in the chicken coop, doing all he knew to do to feed a hungry den. On and on down the line, I've swam canals and bored the hide. Plenty births along this ride, being born again. Once I was and you were too, and we were both the word of truth. We built this world together with a loud and mighty bang. Lord, it sounded like a train and echoed over the land. We came up with a game to play, being born again. Middle of the desert, wishing I was home. Long way from nowhere, wishing I was somewhere. Sangre de Cristo to the devil's backbone. North Carolina, hung with the hippies in Austin and the cowboys in Mexico. I'm laid up in Fort Worth with beautiful ladies. Hitchhiked on down to the somebody, yeah, you know I was left alone. I'm a real guy out of El Paso, raining down in Houston. Told the truck driver, put the pedal to the metal, cause Houston gets me down. I'm bound to Louisiana, Whiskey River landing, crawfish, piney, jambalaya, where a big old coon has smile.
Home, you're so far away, come on home. Home, a candle you can hold, you're not alone. Home, so far away, come on home. Home, a voice from within, you're not alone.
Reverend, please come quick. 'cause I got something to admit. I met a man out in the sticks, a good old miss. He drove a Series 10 Cadillac and wore a cigar on his lip. Don't you know the devil wears a suit and tie? Saw him driving down the 61 in early July. White as a cotton field and sharp as a knife. I heard him howling as he passed me by. And he said, I know you, young man. I know you by the state of your hands. You're a six-string picker, just as I am. Let me learn you some, I know a few tunes to make all the girls dance. Don't you know the devil wears a suit and tie? I saw him driving down the 61 in early July. White as a cotton field and sharp as a knife. I heard him howling as he passed me by. Oh, foolish, foolish was I. Damn my foolish eyes. 'Cause that man's lessons had a price, oh sweet price. My sweet soul, everlasting, a very own eternal life.
across this river. Angel, angel, what have I done? I face the quakes, the wind, the fire. I've conquered country, crown and throne. Why can't I cross this river? Pay no mind to the battles you've won. It'll take a lot more than rage and muscle. Open your heart and hands, my son, or you'll never make it over the river. It'll take a lot more than words and guns, a whole lot more than riches and muscle. The hands of the many must join as one, and together we'll cross the river. It'll take a lot more than words and guns, a whole lot more than riches and muscle. The hands of the many must join as one, and together we'll cross the river. Nature, nurture, heaven. It'll take a lot more than words and guns. Some are falling by them. A whole lot more than riches and muscle. Conquer every mountain. The hands of the many must join as one, and together we'll cross the river.
Don't know why I act the way I do, like I ain't got a single thing to lose. Sometimes I'm my own worst enemy. I guess that's just the cowboy in me. I got a life that most would love to have. Oh, but sometimes I still wake up fighting mad. And with this road I'm headed down might lead, I guess that's just the cowboy in me. The urge to run, the restlessness, the heart of stone I sometimes get. The things I've done for foolish pride, the me that's never satisfied, the face that's in the mirror when I don't like what I see. I guess that's just the cowboy in you. Here I never worry about the fall. I guess that's just the cowboy in us all.
Mr. Toronto man, go away from my door. You got my wheat and canola seed, you're asking me for more. You better fly, for I produce my 44. I'm just a prairie boy, never meant none no harm. Spend my days making wages out on the Martin's farm. No eastern boys are gonna twist my arm. It's so damn cold out here, the wind will cut you half in two. I ain't kidding now, my old plow is frozen to my mule. I've been living off ice cold rainbow stew. Don't be picking fights with no Mennonites. Don't be raising cane while they're planting grain and working through the night. Gonna let you know if you ain't acting right. So Mr. Toronto man, go away from my door. You got my weed and canola seed, you're asking me for more. Better fly for I produce my 44. Better fly for I produce my 44.
These empties, Lord, as soon as I find where they lay. Tied off them jolly and leaving mines on a long hot summer day. And for every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day. A gal in Pekin, she's a good old gal, okay. Oh, she's sitting there waiting by a window fan on a long hot summer day. For every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day. Beach we got off yesterday. Gonna get off down in Auden on a long hot summer day. And for every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. For towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day. On the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day. And for every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day.
Give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. How often at night, when the heavens are bright with the light from the glittering stars, have I stood there amazed and asked as I gaze if their glory exceeds that of ours. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy